guys, welcome to Math Today. Alright, so in math we are going to practice with some more measuring. You guys are doing really great with your measuring, and I knew you would. Measuring is something that usually comes pretty easy to you guys, and you like using rulers and tape measures to use. So I'm going to kind of show you how to do your assignment today, because it's a little bit different and something new we've not done. So when you open your assignment, there you go. When you open your assignment, it's probably going to pop up and look a lot like this. And you're going to be able to kind of use your computer and move some stuff around. And I'm going to show you kind of what I mean by this. But in this assignment, it wants us to measure some rectangles and put them in order and say how long they are. And this is an example of what it's going to look like when you get done. But I'm going to kind of show you. If you go over here, it shows you all of them. It's kind of like pages. The first page was the example, so if you click and go to the next page, this one has not been done. And all you're supposed to do is come down here and grab a rectangle, measure it, and you want to put them in order from, see, this one says the shortest one to the biggest one. So I can look real quick and see that this pink one is shorter. So see, I can click on it and drag it up, and I'm going to measure, and it is 8 centimeters. So I'm going to write that there. If you click, you should be able to, well, you might have to erase the word type apparently. There we go, 8. And I'm going to put cm for centimeters because it's 8 centimeters. Now I'm looking at my next rectangle, and it kind of looks like the green one is smaller, but I'm going to measure just to kind of make sure. Oops, make sure I get a hold of it. There we go. It looks like the green one is 18. I'm just going to measure this blue one just to make sure which one is actually smaller. See, I'm sorry if it jumps around on you. I'm sorry, mine's jumping around. Oh yeah, that one's almost to 19. So yep, I was right. The green one would be next. Then the blue one. There we go. Then the blue one. And you're going to, oops, click. And this one was 18 centimeters, and then this one was 19 centimeters. There we go. Do you kind of understand how you're going to do the rest of them? Alright, so you should know how to do this one because I've already kind of done it for you if you remember what they were. So when you're ready, you'd go to the next one. And you do the same thing here. You measure all the rectangles, you're going to put them in order, and you have to say how long they are, okay? And there's only 4 more that you'd have to do on your own, okay? Then when you click on the other assignment, it's going to pop up and look like this. And this one is a little bit different too. I'm going to kind of show you what it looks like, and this is kind of an example. The first page again is an example. It shows you what it's going to look like when you get done, but I'm going to kind of do the first one with you so that you understand what you're doing. Alright, so it wants us to measure the turtle, but if you're looking, I know everybody's sitting here going, I can't measure that turtle because they don't have it lined up right, and if I try, it won't let me drag the turtle. That's kind of the point. They don't want you to be able to drag it over there and put it where it goes. They want you to still be able to use this to figure out how big it is. And there is a way to do it. Don't worry. I know that it should be all the way over here at the 0. I know that it says that it's 19, but it's not really 19. We know that because it goes from 7 to 19. Well, there's still a way I can figure out how big it is. I know it's not 19. There's still a way. I can just count how many it takes up like this. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I know it's really 12 centimeters because it takes up 12 of the centimeter spots. There's another way I could do it too. If you don't want to count all the little centimeters, you could think to yourself, well, it says it's 19, but it skipped 7 before it even started. So you could kind of say, well, 19 take away 7, and you could see what it what that is. 19 take away 7 is 12. So that's also the answer. So down here at the bottom where it says type here, you're going to click. You may have to, whoops, see, it might want me to drag it. I'm going to try to, there we go, 12. And then you have to come over here and you're going to try to, it wants you to figure out and then build a tower that is the same as the turtle. So the turtle was 12. It wants us to build a tower that goes to the 12. It wants it to be the same. So you can build whatever kind of tower you want. You could just stack these up if you want to and make a big, tall, skinny tower. You could get creative. Make any kind of tower you want. Oops, my blocks are jumping around, sorry. There we go. You can make any kind of tower you want. It doesn't matter to me, as long as, sorry, I hope yours doesn't do that. It's jumping around everywhere, isn't it? Any kind of tower you want. But it has to go to 12, doesn't it? Yes. So it's just like when you're building with blocks, you're going to make a tower, but it has to go to 12. Does mine go to 12 yet? Nope, not yet. I got to keep building until I get to 12. And like I said, you can make as many kind of towers as you want. You can make it creative. You can make a big, tall, skinny one. It does not matter to me. It's your tower, but you got to keep building until you get to 12, all right? All right, so do you understand how to do these ones? If you have any trouble with this, remember you can message me, let me know, and we can work on it together, okay? All right, happy measuring. Bye, guys.